Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is our new movie room that we added on to the house. First, we're gonna clean it before we reveal the full and final product. It's just a small movie room. I want to say it is a 16 by 10. We had a 16 by 28 added on, so the other room would be a bedroom and a bathroom, but we wanted to add a small place where we get together as family and make memories, so this would have been perfect for us, so we decided to go with a movie room. We did add a small platform so that the level behind us can be raised up, so that it can sit higher, so that way you can see above the person's head, and it was perfect. We built it on when we were getting the inside of it built. So we also put carpet down. We used carpet tiles. This saved us a lot of money, but the carpet tiles don't have any thickness to them. So I went to Walmart and Home Goods and I grabbed a couple rugs so that we could put down over the carpet tiles. But it worked out perfectly. And we found some good cushion, soft plush rugs that we can put down. Out there you can see where it's still undone. The other area that we added on is not been finished yet. So it's a hallway and then you walk over to a bedroom and another bathroom. So I will be showing you guys that. You see our projector there. I got that from Bidding Kings for $100, you guys. I looked up that projector. It's a Samsung movie projector, and it was like $700. So we got that for a steal. I also got the projector screen from Bidding Kings, and I don't know how much I paid, but I'm pretty sure it was under $100. And it's a 100-inch screen, and we had it outside, but we moved it on the inside because we knew we were building on this movie room. So we pretty much kind of took things from our house and just, put it in there. Those couches we paid about $798 for, because a store was going out of business, so we were able to grab those, and we just took some pictures, put them in a screen, put some LED lights around them, got some decorations, and lined the room with LED lights as well. So yeah, and we bought those 2 bean bags from Walmart, made a concession stand out of this old dish rack that my husband had got from Temu, and we put some snacks on there. And yeah, and so I'm just showing you these little baskets that I made for us for movie night. So we got some candy, we got us some hot dogs, some wings and nachos, and we chilled out and watched a movie that night. And it was a really good memory that, my daughter and our family would have for times to come, and we will have other family over and people enjoying it as well. So it was a super good investment. We love it. We're happy with it, and we want to show you guys what we had been working on while we've been gone. So this was one of the projects that we had done. And I just want to take the time to just thank God, thank Jesus Christ for everything that he has blessed our family with and given us to steward over. We're just so thankful, and our hearts are just filled with gratitude, because we know in this life it's so expensive. Everything is going up, and it's hard to make ends meet, and the Lord is still providing. So we are so grateful and so thankful, and our hearts are so full that we're able to do these type of things with our family, with our friends, and just create memories in our home that the Lord has blessed us with. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's such a great opportunity for you to, recreate this, because it is actually very affordable. A lot of people think that when you do this type of stuff, you have to spend tons and tons of money. Just other videos we watched, it looked like an unrealistic expectation, but we did it on a more affordable scale, and I think that other families can do this in their homes as well. You can create it in a spare room or whatever you have, a shed. There's so many ways to create luxury, and you just have to figure out what that luxury looks like for you. So somebody may look at that maybe like it's a little low budget, but for our family, that is a luxury that we get to enjoy. And so I just wanted to share this with others so maybe they can get inspired and maybe do the same thing. So thank you guys again. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below and ask me any questions about this movie room. If you want me to do a breakdown of cost, let me know in the comments below. Have a good day.